Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. This video is about the top free movies and TV streaming apps on Android and iOS that don't need APKs, that don't need logins, and you don't have to subscribe monthly, month to month, to get the best access around town using your mobile devices, your laptops, what have you, your Roku TVs. I already did a separate video about it for the Roku TV, so now we're doing one for your mobile devices. Now let's go ahead and open my movies and TV folder. And I want to talk to you guys about an app that's on Roku, but just came to Android. I think it just came to iOS too. It's called PopcornFlix. Alright, exactly like that. PopcornFlix with the red P. Alright, that's how you'll find it on Android and iOS. Alright, so yeah, it's saying connect to an email, but you don't have to. I mean, if you use your email, yeah, you get special features, meaning like wherever you left off on your phone, you can go to your Netflix. I mean, not Netflix, you go to your Roku, and then you can watch it wherever you left off. And that's basically what it's giving you. It's giving you like the queue and your favorites and all that stuff like that. But you don't necessarily need to log in. So we're gonna go ahead and hit the skip button. And let's just check out the interface, man. Like a lot of people, you know, they downplay these apps. They just trolling on, you know, Google Play Store and Apple App Store, not really giving a real review of the application itself. And as you can see, it's a super clean interface. It's a super clean interface. They got the most popular. They got Father's Day favorites because Father's Day is coming up. They got dramas. They got your action, your horror, thriller. I mean, this is a pretty decent collection. And they even have some of my father's favorite Western movies and horror movies and stuff like that from back when he was, you know, coming up around my age and stuff. So, and it's a decent collection. I played with this on my other phones and stuff like that, and I played with it on Roku. And I'm gonna do a review for the Roku too. But for the phone, it's awesome. I mean, it's super clean, easy to navigate, easy to use. So give this application a try, guys. I mean, it don't hurt. It's 100% free. So it has some popular movies and TV shows that Netflix and Hulu don't even have. So there you have it. You want some alternatives to Netflix and Hulu? Check out PopcornFlix. All right, another one is Crackle, of course. A lot of people know about Crackle. You don't need login. You don't need a subscription. All right. So, like I said in my Roku, the main point about Sony Crackle is basically their original series, Sony Crackle original channel. So you just have to, you know, check that out and, you know, see what you like, see what you don't like. It's 100% free. Yeah, come with ads, of course. All right. Okay. But majority of it, you know, do come with ads. Tubi TV, like I said before, Tubi TV partnered with Hulu. So now you're getting Hulu, I'm going to say Hulu Originals, but majority of the free stuff on Hulu, you're probably getting you're probably getting with Tubi TV. And I guess I made a mistake. You do need to sign in. I thought you didn't have to. So, but yeah, just use temp mail. Just use temp mail and whatever, man. Like a lot of people are tripping. Stremio is a good service. You get free content. Here you get free movies. So free channels. And like I said, they got some of similar movie collection, just like Filmrise, PopcornFlix, Tubi. You know, they got a similar collection. It just depends on, you know, which interface you like better and which setup you like better. So that's what it depends on. All right, that's free, 100% free. Also, for guys that like sports, Stadium, it's a sports channel. You can get it locally without internet access and things like that. Let me go ahead and mute it. You can get it locally without internet. Use your antenna for your HD TV or Magic TV. Like I said, and I'll show you guys that application as well. But yeah, it has free content, free sports, keep you up to date. MLB, NFL, NBA, 100% free. No login needed. I told you guys this. I told you I was going to set you up with that. All right. So this is for my true cord cutters. Okay. And you can watch this on data or Wi-Fi. It don't matter. CBS Sports. A lot of people are sleeping on CBS Sports. I love the interface on Roku. And it's no different between Android and iOS CBS HQ application. So you could join right on in to the live stream. My fault. But you could join right on in to the live stream of the CBS Sports. And they show you highlights of games around the clock, and they talk about, you know, they talk about what's new today, and you get to see who's all playing right from one screen. It don't matter the sport, you get to see who's playing right from the screen. All right, so that's another app. Okay, another one that I also found on LG smart TVs, Phillips, and Roku, and now Android. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, but it's spelled XUMO, so XUMO or something like that. You get to watch free live content. So I got it muted, so I don't want no copyrights and nothing like that. But you can watch free live content. They got over 700 channels to watch, whatever, movies, comedy, even tech shows like CNET. All of them are on here. IGN, all of them are on here. Fox Sports, you can watch Fox Sports for free on here. So listen to music, you name it. Here we have it, guys. PGA Tour, NFL. So there's a lot of, and look at this. Check it out. Channels. You can go straight to the channels. These are all the channels, 100% free. No subscriptions, no APK files, no logins needed. You just download the app and instantly start using it. And then, of course, you got your settings. It's really not too much. Everything is right here for the main screen. All right. So check that application out. Okay. Well, let me exit out. All right. Get out. All right, so let's open it back up. Go 90. Now, Go 90 is data free with the Verizon Unlimited plan or what have you. Whoop-de-woo, you know. But yeah, guys, Go 90 has some free content. You want to check the live section. They have live sports, FIFA and soccer. Some international basketball. They have international football leagues and things of that sort. I think they got tennis on here. I'm not sure. But yeah, all you have to do is check and see what's live, what's coming on later today. And that's your live sports. Also, you can hit the explore button. You can explore now on Go 90. Trending today. You know, so you live on Go 90 and new releases. All shows, all channels, so you name it. You got all access, 100% free, no login needed. All right, no APK file. Okay, now that one work. All right, next one is YouTube. I don't have to explain YouTube. You know how to use YouTube. You could go on YouTube and look for B-rated movies and old TV shows and stuff like that. You can already do that on YouTube automatically. I don't have to explain that. Now, this next one is also a new application on the Android Google Play Store and as well as iOS. It's called Filmrise. Like I said, I did a video about this for the Roku TV, and now I'm doing a video about it for Android and iOS. So it's a simple interface. Everything right from the home screen. Everything right from the home screen of the application. You just scroll through and you pick which category you're really into. All right, that's it. That's all you're doing. You're just picking what category you're really into. I watched one of my favorite movies one of my favorite movies of all time, Ninja Turtles 1989. Check that out. All right. And last but not least, Magic TV, if you have the device. Magic TV, if you have the device, you can watch local TV data free. Local TV data free with this application. All you gotta do is hit connect. Make sure you connected to the Wi-Fi on Magic TV, and you can watch all your local TV 100% free on your smartphone, iOS or Android, and all these applications are compatible. And I'll leave the list of the apps I just went over to you guys. So tell me, which applications for movies and TV are you using that's 100% free, no logins, no subscriptions, and no APK needed, which means you don't have to sideload it, don't have to use unknown sources to sideload the app and install it. And also, once again, if you guys haven't checked out my next radio video, that's 100% data free if you have a FM chip. So guys, there's plenty of ways to get around this so-called unlimited data plans. You don't want to overspend, and you don't want to spend, $40, $50, $60 just to watch entertainment on your smartphone. And I do have to mention this. Facebook has content. This is my fake account. It's not even real. But Facebook has content that you can watch live on Facebook. So, and of course you know about Facebook Live. So there's a lot of content on Facebook you can actually watch. Not to mention, last but not least, Twitter. Twitter, you can kind of get away with. You can actually watch free content on Twitter. I'm not logged in, but you can check through the search button and say live, whatever. And all you got to do is watch Twitter Live. So Facebook Live, Twitter Live, you got access to content and stuff like that. So once again, guys, tell me your thoughts in the comment section below. Which streaming apps, streaming services would you recommend for anyone that's trying to cut the cord and don't want to log in or sign into the subscriptions or sideload apps on their phones or TVs or Fire Sticks and then that sort? I'm just trying to help and save a lot of people, all this run around, all these loopholes, or gotta go through all this stuff to set up and just start watching stuff live. Oh, I did forget to bring up Pluto. My fault. I did forget to bring up Pluto. Yeah, Pluto TV is one of my favorites. So yeah, here we got Pluto TV. We got over 1,000. My fault. We got over 1,000 channels.
It's a combination of
over 1,000 channels. Across to it. So yeah, Pluto TV has movies and shows. Oh snap! Child's Play. I gotta check that out, man. I might have to watch that after I get done looking at this video. But yeah, after I get done doing this video. But yeah, guys, they got Paranormal Activity. So I mean, once again, you got all this free content. With majority of them are doing the same. But I think what it is when it comes to users, it's which one has the better interface. Which one has the better interface, and which one is easier to use and maneuver. All right, so once again, leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Hope you guys thought this was an informative video and that you liked it and you enjoyed it. And hopefully you try some of these applications on Android and iOS and Roku. All right. All right. Thanks for watching. It's your boy Two Phones. I'm out.